What's up, guys? This is my first video, actually, and we are heading to a car meet. But first, I need to run to Target and get some toothpaste and toothbrush because I left that back home when I went back to my house last weekend. And I'm about to get a little cold start on my car. Awkward with like other people around because I'm not used to having the camera like on and like just having it out, and that's kind of like awkward for me, and like I don't know, I'm just like weird about that, but I guess I'm gonna get through that. We'll get through it, and yeah, let's get to this party. Maybe a little POV drive to Target, nothing too crazy, just out of the car. So yeah. And here's the start of the drive, so y'all can enjoy. I did buy the sun visor thing so I can start recording POVs, and that's like what I've really been wanting to do. And it's like, that's all I want to do is just someone's jamming out. Can't go too crazy. Oh, we're coming to this bridge. This bridge is always so nice. I don't know if you can hear my little pops. Mustang GT. Doesn't appear to me that they're turning right. Oh, we got a fellow GT right here. Pretty clean, pretty nice. 5 Maybe a little park seat like right here. About to see what I'm talking about. Isn't that beautiful? Feet locker. Or unlocker. And yeah, so catch y'all back later. Yeah, we got CJ with the Vapor Blue.
Was it that guy? Was that the
CJ?
I think it was that guy in all black. I think it was him. Where's Alex at? You know? Oh, I don't know. Oh, and a wide body?
Oh shit! Is it scat? Scat? Shit, what's he got done?
Grill opens up. When does your grill open up? You have it in sport mode?
Yeah.
But,
It doesn't mean
the B58, right?
Yeah.
B58?
You in 340?
Alright, I'm gonna head on.
Stock bet?
If I spot spec, I just don't look at the front bumper though, because that's where my pink shit.
I love this excuse. I'm saying that's on
You got mine, CJ's, you got this, you got the vet. Oh, you got the other vet.
Where's
Which one would you rather have? You beating this, Alex?
in the suspension and the upgrade that's
What you got done to it?
Stage 2, downpipe tune.
Oh, like every other BMW.
Classic BMW driver, you know.
Can I check out the inside?
Yeah. I'm about to
Oh shit. That's tough. I love that steering wheel, dude. That's nice.
This is about to start.
And I love these freaking wheels, dude.
Get that close up with the startup, bro.
Oh, I got you.
Yeah.
Or it might be that.
What do you got done to it?
Shit, it's got a P28 chip, 2 ECM. It's 2-step.
Okay,
It's got launch
two-step.
control.
Oh shit!
It's got
Literally.
a
I know it's
radial,
I've seen that.
high compression B15 catback. It's a B15,
Okay.
but yeah.
Oh, he's dipping.
Wait, whose Explorer is that?
Mob Inc. It's mine. He's got a handbrake.
It's fake.
Yeah, I got it.
That's for mom.
It's A4 with like S4. Oh, and my stuff.
Interview, what's done to it?
All right, so stage 2 ECU, no TCU tune yet. Done. Engine mounts, subframe mounts, drivetrain mounts, carbon fiber intake. Mess with my paddle shifters. I put carbon fiber ones on there.
Yeah.
And charge pipes. That's about it right now.
And then we got a question of the day. Would you be
Sorry?
5.0?
Oh, well, would I beat a 5.0? Yeah.
You would.
I've beaten 5.0s before.
confidently say that you would beat a 5.0.
I can confidently say that I will beat a 5.0.
Alrighty.
I'm just way too light.
A4 or is it an S4?
A4. Sorry?
How much do you weigh?
100, I think, maybe 36.
He drops a slow ass bet. He drops a slow ass bet.
Put the burners on it all earlier.
Is there a way that we can bring back the video from like a couple weeks ago?
I was in front. Hey, where they at? Where they at?
You in a race for real?
I'd be down.
40 roll.
I used to do a 40 roll.
Oh.
Right now on 93, I make 360 to the wheel and like 460 torque.
Okay.
How much did it cost like per wheel?
1,100, I think.
For all four?
1,100 each. They're VVS, man. They're expensive.
I'll shoot like the night.
Two of them?
Let's get out of the way. Park beside. Oh, there's no place beside us.
There is actually.
Yeah.
He always parks alone now, and he's parking in the handicap.
To come.
Q50? We got
Beamer turbos just sound so
I know you like looking at the back of my Corvette when I'm fucking beating your ass. Off-road?
Yeah.
I got a truck in the crib.
I'm good.
What's up, guys? I don't know if you can see me or not, but I'm back in my dorm, and it's 1:41 a.m. I just finished kind of editing the video. Tonight was fun. We went to a meet, no races, no nothing like that. We drove around. Yeah, had fun. Next week should be better, so stay tuned for next week. And yeah, thank you for watching. Subscribe, hit the like button, comment. I'll see you next week.